Is your iPhone battery dropping faster than usual? It can be super frustrating when you notice your battery percentage dropping quickly, but don't worry. There are a few simple things you can try to improve it. Battery drains can happen for several reasons, like apps that use a lot of power, outdated software, or even system glitches. In this guide, I'll walk you through some easy fixes to get your iPhone battery back to its best performance. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Disable visual effects. Some visual effects and animations can really drain your battery. Turning them off is a quick way to save power. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on Accessibility. Now tap on Motion. Next, toggle on Reduce Motion to turn off the extra animations and effects that aren't necessary. Solution 2. Turn off location services. Location services can be a big battery hog, especially when apps are constantly tracking your location. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Scroll down a bit and tap on System Services. Next, you'll see a list of things that might not need to be running in the background. You can turn off things like HomeKit or Suggestion and Search. If you don't need your location on at all, you can toggle off location services completely to give your battery a big boost. Solution 3. Disable Background App Refresh. Background App Refresh allows apps to update content even when you're not using them, and it can secretly suck up your battery. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again and tap on Background App Refresh. After that, select Off to completely disable Background App Refresh and stop any hidden drains on your battery. Solution 4. Turn off True Tone and reduce screen brightness. True Tone and super bright screen can both use a lot of battery. Here's how you can make things more efficient. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the control center. Tap and hold the brightness slider. Now turn off True Tone. After that, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on Display and Brightness. Adjust the brightness slider to a lower level to conserve battery. Solution 5. Disable Auto Brightness. Auto Brightness automatically adjusts your screen brightness based on your surroundings, but it's one more feature that can drain power. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Scroll down again and tap on Display and Text Size. After that, scroll down a little further and toggle off Auto Brightness. By following these steps, you should start seeing an improvement in your iPhone's battery life and avoid that crazy fast battery drain. Hopefully these tips helped out, and if you have any questions or need further help with your iPhone's battery, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to let me know how it worked out for you.